actually works, guys. It's super insane, so I'm going to show you guys exactly. Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the game Unsolved for iOS and Android. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So as you can see, we're broke, but in the mod menu, we can turn on unlimited gems. So I just turned it on, so now our gems should start going up. So let's see if it works, guys. So hopefully it does increase. I can't say for certain, but let's see what happens to our gems. And come on now, bring me something. Ooh, there's no gems. Yeah, it's working. Look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this Unsolved hack for free gems in 2025. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. I'm going to show you guys how to install it. All the works. All right. So go to your browser, open a new tab, and on this tab, I want you to type tweakmod.com. So in this site, I want you to type Unsolved, and I want you to press install. And before the mod downloads, there is going to be a verification, so you just have to download 2 apps, follow instructions. They're 100% for free from official app stores, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So yeah, it's super cool, guys, but that's how I get the Unsolved mod for your device. So I'm just going to wait for it to load up, and we should be good to go. So let's see what happens. All right, so it's loading right now, and then we just have to do the verification step. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, guys, it's going to say missing files. So you just have to download 2 of these apps. You don't have to do the same ones as me, but make sure you do 2 of them. So like Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could do that. Or I could do like TikTok, down run for 30 seconds. And that's the same with the Underdog. So just make sure you guys download 2 of them. You're going to be good to go. That's how to get the Unsolved mod onto your device. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe. Peace out.